The world is a tapestry of diverse cultures and histories. Unit 731 was a covert biological and chemical warfare research unit of the Imperial Japanese Army. Established in the 1930s, it operated during the Second Sino-Japanese War and World War II. Disguised as a water purification plant, it masked horrific realities. Located in Harbin, China, Unit 731 was led by Shiro Ishii, a military physician with a chilling vision. His goal was to weaponize deadly diseases and biological agents. The story of Unit 731 is a stark reminder of human cruelty, demanding to be told to prevent future atrocities. Inside Unit 731, gruesome experiments were conducted on live human subjects. These were prisoners of war and civilians, including men, women and children. Referred to as logs, they were dehumanized and stripped of their identities. Victims were primarily Chinese, but also included Koreans, Russians and Mongolians. Vivisections were performed without anesthesia to study diseases and weapons. Prisoners were infected with deadly diseases like plague and anthrax to observe illness progression. Frostbite experiments and disease injections on pregnant women were conducted. The cries of the victims were met with indifference, their suffering mere data points. The exact number of victims remains unknown, ranging from thousands to tens of thousands. Victims endured unimaginable suffering, used as tools in grotesque scientific endeavors. Many died slow, agonizing deaths from diseases or horrific experiments. Families were torn apart, their loved ones vanishing without a trace. Survivors bore deep psychological scars, haunted by memories of the horrors. The legacy of Unit 731 left an indelible mark on the collective memory of affected countries. The stories of the victims are essential to preserving this dark chapter and preventing future atrocities. As World War II ended, the Japanese military tried to erase all evidence of Unit 731. Buildings were demolished, documents burned, and many perpetrators escaped prosecution. The United States controversially granted immunity to key members in exchange for research data. This lack of accountability fueled outrage, especially in China and other affected countries. Despite attempts at a cover-up, the truth gradually emerged through survivors' stories and evidence. While justice was denied to many victims, their suffering was not forgotten. The story of Unit 731 is a stark reminder of the dangers of unchecked ambition and dehumanization. It demands to be told to highlight the importance of ethical conduct, compassion, and justice. We must never forget the victims, their suffering a testament to human resilience. Their stories remind us of the value of every human life and the importance of protecting human rights. By remembering Unit 731, we honor the victims and commit to preventing future atrocities. We must learn from the past, challenge injustice, and strive for a future of dignity and respect. The legacy of Unit 731 should guide us towards a world where the sanctity of human life is paramount.